Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the HPMV X2 and bypass password protection. As you can see, I've got a password protection right here, so I can't access the device without the correct password. Connect your keyboard, then start holding the Shift key on the left. While holding Shift, use the power options and choose Restart. Keep holding Shift until the device screen turns blue. Choose an option screen appears, so select Troubleshoot. Then choose Reset your PC. If you want to remove all your files, you can reset this PC completely. The device is preparing the operation, so wait a few seconds. Excellent. The following menu appears. If you want to erase all personal files and apps, click Next. Choose Just remove my files for a quicker reset if you're keeping the PC. Or choose Clean the drive fully if you're selling or giving it away, which is more secure but takes several hours. In my case, I'll choose Just remove my files. Your device is ready to reset, so simply tap Reset to confirm. The device is performing the hard reset and erasing all personal data and settings. The whole operation should take a while, about 20 to 30 minutes. Be patient and don't interrupt the process. Afterwards, you'll see a welcome panel with no password protection. You'll be able to unlock the device, go through the setup, and start using your tablet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.